Hi guys, let's eat lanzones. I'm gonna eat now because they're turning black. Because this one you cannot put in the fridge. So I'd rather eat them. If you put in the fridge, they will be very black. So anyway, it's just the skin, but it's still edible and you can eat it. So see, sarap. This is one of my favorite also after lychee, mangosteen, and snake fruit. Because if I don't eat now, nagbabasa-basa siya and then masisira. Anyway, it's just the skin, guys. You know, the skin turns black but inside is still okay. Look. Hindi naman mas maganda kung yung may gata-gata, dagta-dagta pa. See? Yung may dagta-dagta, pag yung yellow pa yung skin niya, hindi siya matamis. This one is already too sweet. Look. I just realized yellow pala yung damit ko and my cutex. Look. Pareho palang yellow. Hindi ko napansin. Yellow, yellow, mellow. So, you see? Ang sarap. You know this one, paborito ko kasi kahit araw-araw kong kainin, I don't feel sick or hindi ako nagsasawa. Because it's very yummy lanzones. It's almost out in the market, this one also. Paubos na. And the lychees and mangosteen, wala na sa Bangkape. So, the next fruit will be the custard apple or yung malalaking atis dito. Look. So, this is nighttime fruit mukbang bago ako matulog. Ganito yung style ko. Nagpro-prutas ako. Para antukin ako. Parang sleeping pills ko itong prutas kasi. Don't mind the skin whether it's black because inside is still okay. So, it doesn't matter if the skin is black because the inside is still edible. Look. Duko. Ang tawag nila sa iba. Sana yung lanzones ko marami ng bunga like the rest hanggang dun sa baba. Kasi pag yellow yung skin, hindi masyadong matamis pero this one is still okay. Pag ganyan ng skin, medyo hindi siya masyadong may dagta. But if the skin is like this, is much better. Look. Sarap. Mas gusto ko ng lanzones kaysa apple. In Thailand, mura ang fruits. So, I prefer to spend my money on fruits rather than junk foods or mga fast food. I don't like fast food anyway. I hate eating fast food. Kaya pag bibili ang amo ko at mag-fast food sila, bili ng McDonald's, kakain na lang ako ng magluluto na lang ako ng sarili kong pagkain. See this one? May dagta pa yan. So this one is better. Kasi mas matamis at juicy. Kaysa yung yellow ang skin niya na parang ganyan. Kaya pag mamili kayo ng lanzones, yung may itim-itim na. Okay? So that's it, guys. Sarap. My fruit mukbang. Thank you for watching, guys. My fruit mukbang again for this night. Good night. Sawadee ka. God bless everyone. Father bless